So to make our vegan caramel, we're just going to need 3 ingredients. To start with, we're going to melt our brown sugar with our condensed coconut milk over a medium-high heat. And you're going to be stirring this constantly, and I do recommend that you use a wooden spoon for this. And just make sure you keep that stirring constant. You want to make sure that you're breaking down any lumps that you may have in your brown sugar, and that's going to help give it that really nice caramel color and also that lovely distinctive taste as well. So keep going until all of those lumps are gone and you have a really smooth consistency, and that caramel color is going to start to deepen a little bit as well. You want to make sure this doesn't come to the boil at all. It should just stay slightly simmering, and you can see that it does start to run off the spoon fairly quickly. In total, this whole process takes about 5 minutes, but I did speed it up so that you're not just standing watching me mix all the time. Now, once it's at that slightly simmering stage, you're adding in your butter, and I'm using a vegan butter for this. And then I'm using my whisk instead of my spoon. And that's just to make sure that we can break down that butter very quickly without overcooking the caramel. So look how great that is. We've got a really smooth consistency, a beautiful golden brown color as well. And that is our caramel done. It is perfect and ready to go. Now what we are going to do before we use it is actually transfer this into a glass jug, and that's because we want to cool it down a little bit, and as it cools it will start to thicken up as well. And that's how easy it is to make vegan caramel sauce.